Type, reach, click, type, reach, click, type, reach, click, type, reach, click. The quickest way to enter data is by keeping your hands on the keyboard. Type, reach, click, type, reach, click, type, reach, click, type, reach. Using a mouse slows down your work. Maybe not for a single entry, but when you've got scads of data, type, reach, click, type, reach, click, type, reach, click, type, reach. This is stuff you don't have time for. So, keeping your hands on the keyboard can help make your work go faster. Today, we're going to have you fly through your data entry by using a combination of keys instead of a mouse. Let's take a look at the F keys at the top row. You might use a modifier every now and then, but F keys generally have their own functions. When you combine modifier keys like Control, Alt, Tab, and Shift with letter, number, or symbol keys, you get the same functions that you would using a mouse, but your hands never leave the keyboard. Let's go back and take a closer look at those function keys. F1 opens the help files. F7 starts the spell checker. If you need a quick chart, the F11 key produces a chart on its own sheet. F4 repeats your last action, but be careful with this one. If you're working with formulas in the formula bar, the F4 does something entirely different, but that's for another show. We're going to go back to the Control and Alt keys to find some time-saving features. To select a table rather than the entire page, use Control asterisk. To sum a range of numbers, hit Alt and the equals key at the same time. To adjust your range, you can use the Shift and the arrow keys. If you want to replace a lot of data all at once, Control and the letter H brings up the Find and Replace dialog box. Enter the data you need to replace and hit the Replace All button. Done all at once. If you add one feature to another, you really pick up time. Check this out. We're going to use Control and Enter to copy text into several selected cells all at once. Select a range of cells on any spreadsheet. Use the Control and G keys to open the Go To dialog box. It doesn't look like much, but don't worry. Tab down to the Special button and hit Enter. Look at all the features in the special Go To box. You can tab down to blanks. Hit your Enter key and all the blank cells will be selected. Type your data in the active cell and all the blank cells will be filled in automatically. That's it. To pick the shortcuts that will make your life easier, look for the list in the box below. Camera work and post-production for this episode were provided by Wayne Emley. Creative consultant is Lorette Schlitzie. The script and lesson files were provided by me. I'm Judith Brown. Thanks for watching. Hope your day just got better. We'll see you next time.